To DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely, really good price range Volvo S60. Fantastic colour, really drives superb. A lot of car for the money, being an 18 plate. It's the D2, rear park distance control, alloy wheels. Bodywork's in excellent condition. Oops, let's unlock the car. Interior's all lovely. Just open the boot for you as well. Boot area's in lovely condition. A lot of area in there. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Auto headlights. It's only done 77,899 miles. It has literally just arrived. So just going to put a brand new MOT and service on it. It's got cruise control. Just start it up. Lights go on and off. Plenty of fuel in there actually as well. 6-speed gearbox. Cup holders. USB and an AUX. Air conditioning. Multifunction steering wheel. Really does look in nice condition. Oh, it's got satellite navigation. My car, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.